missed that spot.
Oh no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What the fuck? We tolerate the loud noise, but there's something else.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, that shit green! That shit green! This shit, bro. Everyone got their phone out, including me. Oh shit, let's go, let's go. Shit. What the fuck? Crowd killer. What the fuck is that? Boy, let's go. I like that noise. Jeez, the track hog, bro. High speed pursuit, high speed pursuit. Shit. Oh shit! Everyone's like, my fuck, bro. That shit was about to blow up. Yeah, that was probably the fuel line. That shit was blown up. Yeah, there's hella oil. Yeah, that's from the bottom, dude, for sure.
Nah, your shit's good. You just gotta clean it and figure out where that fucking line blew.
Lucky there was a pressure wash it, lift up the car.
Yeah, pressure wash it. Because if you look where he was parked, there's a.
Fuck the cops, bro.
Fuck you doing? Alright, so the cops are here and we're ending the night. We're just chilling and watching. Oh yeah, oh shoot. Dang, scary. 10 months? What? Bro, you see the size on that thing? What the dog doing? Anyways, we vibing it up towards the end. Hope you guys are all too, you know what I'm saying?
Probably one of the crazier meets I've been to.
Yeah, crazy one, huh? Shit, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Dang, we at Emmy's. We're recording this on 420, so happy 420 to y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the progress of Emmy's car. Separate video on the build. You guys check that out. I'll put that in the description up in the corner. And yeah, check that shit out, man.
Hey, this side's a little faulty, as you can see. This one's tight, and this one is just like, you know, loose. But these are replaceable. I think these are replaceable.
It's not even that bad though.
Yeah. Also,
get it all sanded down first, and then.
Yeah. I have the engine in the back. I moved it, and that's the transmission right there. Yep. So full GSR, as we mentioned before in the previous video.
Full BSR. Limited slip, right?
Yeah. You can
Damn,
tell
you took that shit out?
right here. That's the limited slip. That's the oil clean, so
This boy is ready.